Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here cyclopentadiene is given. You're reacting with metallic sodium. You have to find the final product and you have to find the reaction feasibility, whether reaction is possible or not. The answer lies in the intermediate stability. The intermediate formed here is aromatic. According to Huckel rule, the aromatic compound should have 4n plus 2 pi electron and conjugated and planar and aromatic. These systems are most stable. So the reaction goes from stable to most stable in presence of sodium. So it's a very reactive system. Here the sodium metal is electron donor because metals are electron rich. So the stable the intermediate, stable the product, higher the feasibility of the reaction. So the reaction is highly possible. The concept we outlined here is the aromaticity always stabilizes the anion or cation, which increase the feasibility of the reaction. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.